Welcome to VGuide TV. In this video, I'm going to explain about integration. Integration. Calculus is a very important branch of mathematics and differentiation plays a critical role in calculus. So you people already learned differentiation. The inverse process of differentiation is known as integration. So integration is nothing but the inverse process of differentiation. Based on the results they produced, integrals are divided into two classes: definite integrals, indefinite integrals. Definite integrals and indefinite integral. As the name suggests, definite integral means at the end of the integration we get a definite answer or we get a definite number. But indefinite integral means we are not getting a definite number. Instead of that, we are getting a general solution. A definite integral has a lower limit on the integrals and at the end it gets a definite number, whereas indefinite integral gives a general solution to the differential equation. It is interpreted as antiderivative function. It is interpreted as which function? Antiderivative function. So we are going to define or we are going to do the questions of indefinite integrals. So see here, I have written here how to represent an integration. So you know how to represent differentiation, right? You will write it as, or we can write it as d by dx, right? If you say it like this, d by dx, we know it is a symbol for differentiation. D by dx of y, right? So same like that, y is the function of x. So you can write integration as the integral symbol is this one, elongated s. So I told here the upper lower limits and all, right? That only I am writing here a, b. And which function? f of x dx. This is the symbol for integration. If you are not writing these two limits, only elongated s, that means integral of fx dx is the symbol of indefinite integral. So definite integral means we will put the limits, right? Put the limits. And indefinite integral means we don't put the limits, right? Now, what is integration? It is nothing but the antiderivative. In short, integration is nothing but the antiderivative. It means f dash x is equal to fx I wrote. Okay, f dash x is equal to fx I have written. So f is called the derivative of f, and this f is nothing but the antiderivative of f. I use capital F and small f so you can understand. So this f is called the derivative of capital F, and capital F is nothing but the antiderivative of f, or also known as the primitive of f. The another name for antiderivative is primitive of f. What is the symbol? So see, this is the symbol we call by a name integral. And this we call by the name f of x is called the integrand. The name of f of x is called integrand. So how will you read this one? Integral of f of x. Clear? How we will write? Integral of f of x dx. Integral symbol f of x dx, right? So this is an example of indefinite integral. Now, when you integrate integral of f of x dx, we will get f of x plus c. C is nothing but the constant of integration. C is nothing but constant of integration. So, how to write the general form? Integral of f of x dx is f of x plus we get a constant c. So, I can tell that an indefinite integral produces a family of function. Therefore, the integral is indefinite. I told you first we get a general solution. So, we are getting a family. We are getting a family. So, we can write here integral of f of x dx. It gets as f of x plus c. Okay. We look at some examples. It is very easy. Integration, it is nothing but the reverse process of derivative. So first, in the left side column, I have written here the derivatives, and the right side I have written the integration of that. It is easy for a comparative study. X dash x equals 1. We know the derivative of x, that is x dash x equals 1. It means if you integrate 1 dx, we get this answer x plus a constant. I repeat, x dash x equals 1. Therefore, integral of 1 dx is nothing but x plus a constant of integration c. See the second one, e power x dash. Its derivative is e power x only. It means the integral of e power x dx is e power x plus 1. Log x dash. It is 1 by x. It means if you take 1 by x dx, it will be log x plus c. Next, a power x dash. It is a power x log a. It means integral of a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c. 1 by x dash, it is minus 1 by x square. It means integral of 1 by x square dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. Next, see the trigonometric ratio. Sin x dash is cos x. So, integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. So, if you know the derivatives, it is easy to do integration. So, we can tell that integration is nothing but the reverse process of derivative. We'll go for some more examples. These are the standard formulas. Cos x dash x is minus sin x. So, integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Tan x dash is 6 square x. So, it means integral of 6 square x dx is tan x plus c. Cot x dash is minus cosec square x. It means integral of cosec square x dx is minus cot x plus c. Sec x dash is sec x tan x. It means integral of sec x tan x dx is sec x plus c. Cos x dash is minus cosec x cot x. It means integral of cosec x cot x dx is minus cosec x plus c. Now I am coming to a general relation. We know that xn power x power n dash is n x power n minus 1. This is the standard formula for derivative. Right? Or d by dx of x power n is n x power n minus 1. Right? Like that, the general formula for integration is integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But here n should not be equal to minus 1. So, integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. With that, I am doing another question. Integral of 1 by x square dx. So, 1 by x square dx means when it goes to numerator, it is x power minus 2. So I can write x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. X power minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but x power minus 1 by minus 1. That minus is this one. The term I am taking to denominator, it will be 1 by x plus c. I repeat, integral of 1 by x square dx. We are applying this formula. I am taking this to up. So it will be x power minus 2 dx. Applying this formula, x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. It is x power minus 1 by minus 1. That minus is this one. X power minus 1 I have taken to denominator, that is minus 1 by x plus c. Next, integral of e power minus x dx means e power minus x divided by minus 1. That is nothing but minus e power minus x plus c. Take the another case. Integral of 1 by root x dx. 1 by root x means we know what is root x. Root x I can write it as 1 by, we can write it as integral of x power minus half dx. Here we can apply the formula, that is x power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. So this we can write x power half divided by, this we can write it as half. This half will go up, so we can write the formula as 2 root x plus c. Clear? So the general formula is integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, and n should not be equal to minus 1. See the next few results also, that is integral of cot x dx, that is log of sin x. How we are writing this means, we know what is cot x. Cot x I can write it as cos x by sin x dx. So in these type of cases, it means sin x we know the derivative is cos x dx. So in those cases, it means we can rewrite this as integral of dt by t. It means t differential only at the top, dt. So sin x differential only at the top, cos x dx. So in this case, we can apply our first formula. I told you integral of 1 by x dx is, we can write as log x plus c. So this is in the same formula, integral of dt by t. What is dt by t? If you are taking this one, cot x we can write as integral of cos x by sin x dx. Right. So sin x differential only cos x dx. So we can write it as dt by t. This we can write according to the third formula, that is integral of 1 by x dx we can write as log x plus c. So this we can write as log t plus t. In place of t it is sin x. So we can write log of mod sin x. Same like that, integral of tan x is log sec x. Integral of sec x dx is log of mod sec x plus tan x. Integral of cosec x dx we can write log of mod of cosec x minus cot x. Integral of sec square x cosec square x we can write as tan x minus cot x. Tan x minus cot x. These are the few standard formulas and standard results, right? Next, I'll go for the few questions. Few questions from here. See here the question, integral of 2x power 7 dx on real numbers. R is a real number. So I need to integrate this, integral of x power 7 dx. Here 2 is constant. I am taking 2 out. Then this x power 7 dx means, you know the standard formula. What's your standard formula? Integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power 7 means we can write x power 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1 plus c. That is 2 x power 8 by 8 plus c. That is x power 8 by 4 plus c. Clear? 2 is a constant. 2 we are taken out. Integral of x power 7 we are integrating with this formula. The power is 7. So 7 plus 1. X power 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1. See the next question. Integral of cot square x dx. Integral of cot square x dx means cot square x I can write it as cosec square x minus 1. So integral of cosec square x minus 1 dx. Separate integration. Integral of cosec square x dx minus integral dx plus c. Cosec square x dx is minus cot x. Integral dx minus x plus c. Clear? Next. X plus 1 the whole square by x square dx. We are expanding this. That is x square plus 2x plus 1. That's expansion of this one divided by x square dx. We can write it as x square by x square is 1 dx. 2x by x square we can write 2 by x dx. 1 by plus 1 by x square dx. Integral of 1 dx is x plus this we can write it as 2 is constant 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x dx is log x minus this we already written. Integral of 1 by x square dx is minus 1 by x plus c. Because we already did that before. Here I showed you. Integral of 1 by x square dx is minus 1 by x plus c. Minus 1 by x plus c. Next. Integral of root x dx. That is integral of x power 1 by 2 dx. That is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x power 1 by 2 plus 1. That is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. This 2 goes up. 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. Next question. Integral of x plus 2 into x minus 1 dx. We need to expand it. That will be x square plus x minus 2 dx. It's an expansion of this one. Then separate integration. Integral of x square dx. Integral of x dx minus integral of 2 dx. Integral of x square dx is x cube by 3. X dx is x square by 2 minus 2x plus c. Next, integral of tan square x dx. We can write as integral of 6 square x minus 1 dx. Separate integration. Integral of 6 square x minus integral of dx. Integral of 6 square x is tan x minus x plus c. Next question. Integral of cot square x dx. Cot square x we can write it as cosec square x minus 1 into d. Cot square x dx we can write it as integral of cosec square x minus 1 of dx. Separate integration. Integral of cosec square x dx minus 1 dx. Integral of cosec square x is minus cot square x. Integral of dx is minus x plus c. I hope you understood the video. If you need more videos, subscribe our channel. We'll come with more results. Thank you.